Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to forcefully update group policy from server on Windows 11. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to go to your start or search window and type over here CMD. Now click on command prompt, and here on this window you just need to type one command which I'll give you on my video description, which is called gp update /force. And after type this command, press enter from your keyboard and it will update your group policy on your Windows 11 PC. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.